Good morning. Guys, so we have a farm tour of Mom Rose farm.
Yes, there is. Oh my God! Can you go up and touch? Mom Rose.
This is mulberry.
Mulberry?
Yeah.
What's a mulberry?
Mulberry.
Aww. You know, pictures here, but. Aww. How come it's not block? This into furniture. Down the sloping area is also your property. Oh my goodness, Jesus bless me. The egg.
Na ako may egg.
Hi, chicken.
Ha? Na ako may itlog.
Chicken.
Look at it. Tanisha, these are the sow. These are the sow.
Oh.
This is what? This is.
They are the ones laying.
They're the ones who make.
Sow. Boar man ang butakal.
Oh. Anay ba? Anay.
Who knows where? Was it a star? Was it a prayer? With every smile you clear the air so I can see. Oh, little pig.
Make. Ako is. Let's make.
Joy.
You just accentuate your place with
Ah?
stalactites and
Yes.
stalagmites.
Oh my God.
Because
See
the
that,
drippings will form it.
Oh, yes, I know.
Cave.
There are plenty of caves here actually. Fruits, kompleto siya. So, but when the children are
Hambabalod.
Hambabalod tree. Oh, look, guys. Look at the. My goodness, so beautiful.
yeah.
Very unique.
Sige.
Very
Sorry,
unique.
Alvin.
How do we eat the spikes?
No, you get.
It looks like COVID-19.
Yeah. It was,
Look,
Ayaw.
COVID-19 in.
No. Ang careful. Ang spike.
Yes. The juice. The juice should be.
Nectar.
The nectar should be. Oh my God, you will eat that. Very.
So that you can have a better taste of it.
You.
You have to try eating.
Oh my God, we haven't had breakfast yet. We'll just open the window.
Oh, open right? It's up to you.
Oh my God.
Ay, badaw. Asara ka tag. Ato na kadto.
Ako nag-try yesterday kayo sa Mirror in the World.
Pansit to. Pansit to.
Magpuan mo karon, magilataan mo nga nakita.
Next time, Ma'am Rose will come here. Don't hire anymore a driver. You and you. And Shandy, when she comes back home from the US, your first lag is to go back where you started. So Bohol. With your car already.
Hopefully.
Oh, cute. With pangga na.
Pangga.
Guys, we are driving. She's
driving.
Not really. This is only one.
Kuno ko ipamatahin subo.
That's Marialma and Shandy.
Hi.
Say hi. So we're swimming here. It's not cool naman. It's really
Guys, we are now here in... Where are we? No, where are we? Sa pangadiri?
Beach and Joy.
Betan Choy. Betan Choy. Ito, sa dito to.
Hi everyone.
We are here in Betan Choy Farm and there is the cavern. Even if it's raining outside or it gets sunny, you don't have to worry if you are here inside the cavern because you are protected with these stalactites and stalagmites. Okay, so there is another vlogger there, over there.
Dwarves. Who's playing? Whoa.
Ang alipot na vlogger.
Ay, there.
Dapat.
Excuse me, Koy. Can you just go? Koy, can you just stop? Can you just stop sa your car? We're going. Pastor! No, where we go? We go also. You go also. Are you copying us? Oh.
Though distance may soon separate us physically, know that you will always hold a special place in my heart. Our friendship transcends time and place, and I look forward to the day when our paths cross again, filled with new stories to share. Thank you for being the incredible friends that you are. Here's to the memories we've made and the ones yet to come. Cheers to each of you, and may our futures be as bright as our friendship has been. See you soon, Tarshiers!